Full throttle here then. Phew. Very hard to keep it in the frame. So while we're walking to the flight line, we're just to show you, Nick is about to fly the minimum RC MiG-15, which is one of our favourite microjets. Flies very well in any conditions. This is on 2S, isn't it?
It is indeed, yeah, and we've got
a little breeze.
It's fairly breezy, so we're going to see what happens. I'm going to stand down here, launch it. We might only make one circuit and land, but we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
So we'll let it drop just a little. Awful throw.
Well, that's why you launch in stabilised mode. It just it's corrected straight away.
I'll bring it down a sec.
I can focus.
It's the climb and the wind.
Bit lower, closer.
In this wind, it's hard enough keeping it there. That poor gyro.
It's working hard.
Getting our money's worth out of that today. You can see how it picks up on the thermals. It weighs
Nothing.
100 grams. That's half throttle.
Was it?
Yeah. But I don't think there's much for throttle doing at this point, to be honest. But
Full throttle here then. Phew. Very hard to keep it in the frame.
it's very hard to fly. Well, it is and it isn't. It is with the wind, but it's very easy to fly and stabilise. But I don't think you'd want to be out of stabilised today. Do a quick shot of the windsock on, just so you can see what this little 2S.
Yeah, 15-20 mile an hour wind.
Try a slow pass. Probably should set up for a landing. Don't want to run it flat. Not in this. That'll do it.
Nice. Well, that was quick downwind. I didn't keep up with it on the full throttle pass. But...
There you go, minimum RC, MiG-15, 2S, brushless.
And what was that? That was 3 minutes maybe?
3 minutes. Yeah, and we're probably, I mean, we ran it 5 and we ran it flat. So I think 3 minutes is sort of about a safe level. I think I said it last time, but the one wonderful thing to add here would be a little timer. You know, even if it's just a stopwatch,
Yeah,
you could just set for
clicks.
like 3 minutes, it'd be amazing. But
Yeah.
easily solvable yourself. But yeah, goes fantastically well. Really good little model.
Nice. All right, thank you very much.
No worries.